We are at the farm. I see a frog, and beside the frog is a fork. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? It's the letter F. That's right. Good job, kids. A. Alligator. B. Ball. C. Car. D. Drum. E. Elephant. F. Fingers. G. Goat. H. Hat. I. Ice cream. J. Juice. K. Kitten. L. Light bulb. M. Money. N. Numbers. O. Olive oil. P. Penguin. Q. Quilt. R. Ribbon. S. Sail. T. Tongue. U. Umbrella. V. Vase. W. Window. X. Xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zipper. Let's open the eggs and see what's inside. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a dog. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a cat. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a monkey. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a horse. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a rabbit. Good job, kids. Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fingers. Good job. The alphabet song. This is an A, A. Oh, what's the sound of A? Ah, ah, ah. That's the sound of A. This is a B, B, B. Oh, what's the sound of B? B, B, B. That's the sound of B. This is a C, C, C. Oh, what's the sound of C? K, K, K. That's the sound of C. This is a D, D, D. Oh, what's the sound of D? D, D, D. That's the sound of D. This is an E, E, E. Oh, what's the sound of E? A, A, A. That's the sound of E. This is a F, F, F. What's the sound of F? F, F, F. That's the sound of F. This is a G, G, G. What's the sound of G? G, G, G. That's the sound of G. Guess the animal. Can you guess it? An alligator. Alligator starts with letter A. Guess the next animal. That is a bear. Good job. And bear starts with letter B. Can you guess the next animal? A cow. Good job. And cow starts with letter C. Let's guess the next animal. A dog. Good job. That's a dog. And dog starts with letter D. What's the next animal? Can you guess it? That is an elephant. You're right. And elephant starts with letter E. How about this one? Can you guess it? Hmm, that is a frog. Correct. And frog starts with letter F. Hello, kids. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet letters. Let's name them one by one. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job! The man is eating noodles. The noodles is hot. Beside the man is a girl eating an ice cream. The ice cream is cold. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Hot and cold are opposites. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing it? 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Hello, children. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. Today we are going to learn the alphabet by playing a game. You need to identify the object and choose the correct letter that starts with that object. Let's start. What is that object? That is an apple. Where does apple starts with? Does it starts with letter A or letter B? What do you think? Where does it starts with? Apple starts with letter A. Yay! Very good. On to the next one. What is that object? That is a ball. Where does ball starts with? Does it starts with letter A? Or does it starts with letter B? What do you think? Ball starts with letter? It starts with letter B. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a cat. A cat starts with letter C or letter D. What do you think? Cat starts with letter C. That's right. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a dog. Dog starts with letter. Does it starts with letter C or letter D? What do you think? Where does it starts? It starts with letter D. Very good. On to the next one. What is that thing? Those are eggs. Where does egg starts with? Does it starts with letter E or does it starts with letter F? What do you think? Egg starts with letter E. It starts with letter E. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a fish. Where does fish starts with? Does it starts with letter E or does it starts with letter F? Fish starts with letter F. It starts with letter F. Good job. On to the next one. What is that object? That is a gift. Where does gift starts with? Does it starts with letter G or it starts with letter H? What do you think? Gift starts with letter G. That's right. It starts with letter G. Very good. On to the next one. What is that animal? That is a horse. Where does horse starts with? Does it starts with letter G or with letter H? What do you think? Where does it start? It starts with letter H. That's right. You're doing great. Hello kids, let's sing the color song. This is red, color red, 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 red. This is red, color red, 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 red. Do you know what color is this? This is red. This is blue, color blue, 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 blue. This is blue, color blue, 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 blue. Do you know what color is this? This is blue. This is yellow, color yellow, 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 yellow. This is yellow, color yellow, 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 yellow. Do you know what color is this? This is yellow. This is green, color green, 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 green. This is green, color green, 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 green. Do you know what color is this? This is green. This is white, color white, 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 white. This is white, color white, 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 white. Do you know what color is this? This is white. This is purple, color purple, 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 purple. This is purple, color purple, 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 purple. Do you know what color is this? This is purple. This is pink, color pink, 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 pink. This is pink, color pink, 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 pink. Do you know what color is this? This is pink. This is brown, color brown, 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 brown. This is brown, color brown, 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 brown. Do you know what color is this? This is brown. This is black, color black, 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 black. This is black, color black, 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 black. Do you know what color is this? This is black. Very good, children. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. That is an astronaut. Astronaut starts with letter A. The astronaut is in the moon and is going to finish his mission. What do you think is his mission? His mission is to find the objects that start with letter A. Let's help the astronaut to find the objects that start with letter A. Do you think this one starts with the letter A? Yes, it's an apple. An apple starts with letter A. Good job. How about this one? Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an axe. An axe starts with letter A. Good job. Next is this one. Do you think it starts with letter A? Yes, it's an arrow. An arrow starts with letter A. Good job. Last is this object. Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an anchor. An anchor starts with letter A. Good job, kids. The 5 vowels. This is letter A. Letter A. Apple. This is letter E. Letter E. Egg. This is letter I. Letter I. Insect. This is letter O. Letter O. O. Ostrich. This is letter U. Letter U. A. Umbrella. Good job, kids!